What happens when you use Epsom salts in your garden? Epsom salts have remarkable therapeutic effects. But did you know that these minerals may also be used as a potent superfood for your garden? Epsom salts can be a huge benefit to practically anything you want to grow, since they are inexpensive, natural, and non-toxic when applied appropriately. Wear gloves while applying magnesium sulfate to your plants, since it is absorbed through the skin. Epsom salts will help you produce stronger seedlings, more abundant blossoms, better fruits, less insect damage, and enhanced resilience. 1. Give seeds a better start. Magnesium improves seed germination by strengthening cell walls and increasing growth energy. Sulfur is rapidly lost throughout the germination process, so after sowing, saturate the soil with 1 tablespoon of Epsom salts per gallon of water. Alternatively, before planting seeds, put 1 tablespoon of Epsom salts into each hole. Sprinkle 1 cup Epsom salts per 100 square feet of soil for grass seeds and wildflowers. Mix well, and water. 2. Benefits plant nutrient absorption. Magnesium sulfate has been shown to boost the absorption of essential minerals including nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. A conventional mix of 1 tablespoon Epsom salts to 1 gallon of water twice a month will help treated plants have thicker foliage and bigger vegetables. 3. Prevent root shock. Transplanted roots require special attention. To avoid root shock, dilute 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in 1 gallon of water and apply to the roots of newly repotted plants until completely saturated. Alternatively, before transplanting a shrub or flowers, apply 1 to 2 tablespoons of dry salt straight to the hole. 4. Natural pest deterrent. Use Epsom salts to get rid of the pests, such as snails and slugs, and give your roots and blossoms a boost. Mix 1 cup of Epsom salts with 5 gallons of water and apply to foliage with a hose end sprayer for general insect control. Sprinkle dry Epsom salts at the base of plants in the garden to deter slugs and snails. 5. Boosts plants' vibrancy. Mineral shortages can obstruct photosynthesis, causing leaves to lose their green hue and hindering nutrition absorption. A magnesium deficit might be indicated by mature leaves becoming yellow and curling. For each foot of plant height, use 1 tablespoon of Epsom salts combined with 4 cups of water as a foliar spray. 6. Beautiful roses. Epsom salts include magnesium, which helps to augment a slow-release rose fertilizer including nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus for both young and old rose plants. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salts to the bottom of each hole before planting a fresh rose bush. Spray foliage as plants begin to leaf in the spring and again during flowering with 1 tablespoon of salts per gallon of water for established roses. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.